welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks. This is Himanshi coming up with a new video. So today I'll be sharing a secret how to get a glowy skin using just 4 steps, and all the ingredients would be available in your kitchen itself. I understand that today we all get very less time to sit up and just do the skincare routine using home remedies. I would want to tell you this is possible. At least you can do it weekly once and you will definitely love this. The process today I'm going to tell you, it's really easy and quick, guys, and you will surely appreciate yourself for giving the time and just taking care of your skin. So today the weather is so good and pleasant, so I thought why not sit up and share my skincare routine. The skincare routine which I'm going to follow is that one of the skincare which I do, and this is basically how to ensure your skin is intact with lots of glowing moisturizer. So this glow boosting skincare I do basically weekly once or twice, depends how I get time. So as you know, I'm a working woman, I don't get much of time, so I do this weekly once. I can relate with you all. If you don't have time, you can go ahead and do it once, but I would recommend you to do it twice so that you get a glossy, glowy and moisturized skin all day long, and you don't have to use so much of other products on the daily go. So if you want to know how I do the skincare, let's get started. So to begin with, we have got 4 steps ahead to get the glossy skin. So first step would be clean up, second would be face wash, third would be face mask, and last but not the least would be the moisturization. So moving ahead with the first step, guys, we have got the ingredient which is readily available in all the kitchens, which I have the tomato. So I'm sure you all will have this, and you can just cut half the tomato in and just use it on your face. So I've just got this band on so that I can get all the hair off my face, and I can use all the products nicely. So for cleanup, we are using the tomato. So what you have to do, as I told you, you just have to take half tomato and you have to rub it all over your face. So just leave it for a second or so and take a towel which is wet. So take this wet towel and just wipe it off so that whatever the dirt you have in, you get it out in the towel. So now I've got my skin all cleansed up. I'm going to tell you the face wash, guys. You have this ingredient in your kitchen, and it's really easy to get this in and use it as your face wash. And trust me, this is the best I've ever got, because once I wash my face with this, my face is totally clear and clean. So here I have 2 ingredients. Curd, little bit of curd, and then you need little bit of honey. So both you have to mix together and use it as a face wash on your face.
Honey is loaded with antioxidants that will lighten, brighten and nourishes your skin. Curd gives you bleaching effect. You can get rid of blemishes and scars.
So guys, I just washed my face off, and you can see my already skin is looking glossy. And I also told you, you just have 2 more steps to go on. So just imagine how your skin will feel. So now we'll move ahead with the face pack part. So for the face pack, again I've got 2 ingredients. It's easy, so you don't have to just worry or hassle in this. So we've got besan out here, which we call gram flour, little bit. You can say a spoon. And then I have got some raw milk. Again, it is also 1 spoon. So we will mix both together and we are going to apply on our face as a face mask. So I got the face wash dried on my face well, and then after 10 minutes or so, I just washed my face. So you can see the effect. So now we'll move on to the last step, which is the moisturization part. So for moisturization, I have just got aloe vera gel. So today I have used Vaseline aloe vera gel. If you can get some fresh extract of aloe veras from your garden, it's really good. Otherwise, you can just take any brand. Even Wow aloe vera gel is also good, you can use it. And I have to mix coconut oil along with this. Coconut oil is the best for moisturization. So I'll just mix both together and we'll apply. I've got this glossy moisturizer, you can see. Let's apply.
Aloe vera treats sunburn, it gives glossy and dewy effect to your skin. Coconut treats dry skin, it helps to remove acne scars, makes your skin look clear and glossy.
So the moisturization is done and you can see my face. Can you believe I have got this glow only using homemade products? I feel these home products just do wonder, guys. So you all should give a try at least weekly once so that you can do pamper to your skin, and it's really. So that's it for today's, guys. As I mentioned, this is one of my skincare which I shared with you. However, I've got many. If you wanted to know what else I do to my skin to keep it healthy and glowy, please do comment in the comment box and I'll be coming up with more such videos. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time and watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video and like it. Thank you so much.